Alright guys, so time to run these lines for this Vintage Air. So, I'm going to run the lines from the condenser to the receiver, and then from the receiver to the bulkhead. Sorry, too tight, but I can go. Yeah, and then once it goes to the bulkhead, I got to run from the bulkhead into the car. I don't know which one I'm gonna do first. I kind of want to mock up the lines and see how the inside's gonna work out, because that's the most difficult part. This front stuff's super easy. So, all right, yeah, back to it. So kind of all over the place with the orientation of this video. As you can see, I'm in the middle of doing the wiring right now, but I didn't really touch on the box or mounting the box. It's pretty straightforward, but I know that was kind of intimidating when I first started looking at this thing. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put this bracket on they give you, which mounts here, which is like an old dash mount location. And then there's a plate. So here's part of the plate. See that edge? They give you a big plate that you'll bolt in. So you see that bolt back there? That's one of them. I'll walk around to the other side and show you the front side. So that's the front side plate. So what you'll end up doing is there's a lip that goes around the old box. Mine was a non-AC car. So I flattened the lip out, put some silicone sealer around it, around the perimeter so it's watertight. Put some sound deadening on the little cutout, and then just boom, bolt it up. Two of these bolts, so that bolt down there and that one up there. I believe this one as well. They act like studs where the box mounts onto. So yeah, I mean, I'm a little, again, all over the place, but I'm trying to do this in parts and pieces so they're clear, each one, because there's a lot going on here. So yep, back to it. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put this dryer receiver at. Normally it goes up against the condenser right here. They have a cool little bracket and everything, but obviously that's not going to work. And there's going to be an intercooler, and there's already enough crap going to be up here, so I'm going to put this somewhere else. I was debating whether to put it back in the corner over there, so back in there, but I think the lines will have to do too much crazy stuff, so I'm planning on having the snail like right here. So these lines are fine, they can be pulled out of the way. The dryer, what I think I'm going to do is I just marked, because again, I'm gonna paint these fender wells, but I just marked where the edge is, where it'll be tucked in, and how far back, so I can take this fender back off. Which, yes, I do have fenders, but they're sitting in the corner. So yeah, I just wanted to set it up, see somewhat what kind of room I have to play with, how high up I can go in there. So it's 9 inches about from this bottom piece up into the inside of the fender. So what I think I'm gonna do is bend that bracket at a 90 and mount it in there, but like in that little pocket in there basically. So yep, that's it. I gotta take all this back off and make this bracket and then start making these lines. So back to it. All right, so this is where the dryer receiver is gonna live. I just bent the bracket up that they had gave us, or gave me to do the swap. So that's basically how it's going to be. A little more tweaking needed to flatten it out, but yeah, that's basically where it will live. The line will come out, so boom, it'll come into basically one of these, but over here, and yeah, it'll come in there, boom, out, done. So, and the heater hoses, I'm still debating which way I want to go, because again, I'm going to have like an up and forward header. Hopefully it comes up here. I don't know yet, so either way, it's not going to be that serious. So I'm going to plumb them right now down here and see if I can get away with it. If it comes time and the turbo's on there and, you know, I have room, then I could easily just unscrew them from here and move them up here. But the way I want to run it is come down, it'll come around here. Sorry about the horrible video angle, but it's gonna come out, come around, also dip in here, dip back up with those lines back. So I'm gonna mount this up Alright, so basically mounted. That's the braided lines making noise, but so I gotta cut these off, but it's mounted. So, and this still can move if need be. It shouldn't have to though. It tucks right in, nice and hidden. I've got enough room, hopefully, for the 5-gallon bucket sized turbo. Shout out to Sloppy Mechanics. So I'm gonna run these lines from the condenser to the dry receiver, and then from the dry receiver to the bulkhead, and then inside I gotta run from the bulkhead over to the actual box. So I did one off camera just to make sure that I'm not a complete idiot. Well, I'm still a complete idiot, but it worked. So I had just bought this tool because I didn't want to go to the AC shop or somewhere that has the AC and all this, especially during the COVID crap. But so what I did was I mounted this back up. I just held that up to where it's supposed to be, and then just lined it up so that's clocked the right way. So I'm gonna go crimp this. Back to it. So that's basically it, man. So you can see it's a little viewing window. This one, it looks like I could have put it up a little bit further, but this one came out really good. So anyways, yeah, that's it, man. That's one down, probably like 6 more to go. So back to it.